If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter included inside the box of Xiaomi 17, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. I mean, of course, now in Europe or United States, usually you don't get power adapters included for any phone whatsoever, but now, according to Xiaomi's global website, if we check the specs of Xiaomi 17 and if we find the information about the content of the box, you will not find any information about the power adapter. Sometimes for other Xiaomi smartphones you can still find this information, especially if there are some differences between different regions, because in some regions you still can get a power adapter, but it seems that in the case of Xiaomi 17 this is actually not the case. It seems that the power adapter is not included at all, no matter the region, unless of course I'm wrong. So if you live in a region where you got your Xiaomi 17 and there was a power adapter, then of course let me know in the comments. Just let me know from which country you are and if the power adapter was included or not. You can of course share that information as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.